This is note-taking guide 1.13 for Math for Life. So today we're just going to do an activity about monthly budgets. And what I have here on the note-taking guide today is just a whole bunch of receipts that we're going to take and we're going to figure out whether or not they're going to be taking off of our monthly budget or added on to our monthly budget, because income would be added to our monthly budget and expenses would be taken off. If you notice on the back of this sheet, there's this huge monthly budget spreadsheet for you to fill out. And so on this monthly budget thing, there's little categories that we're going to be looking for with our receipts. So we're going to be looking to see if we're paying rent or mortgage, electricity, heating or gas, water or sewer, satellite cable or internet, renter's insurance, cell phone, gas, car insurance, groceries, eating out, stuff for the household and personal care, clothing and laundry, doctor copays, prescriptions. There's a ton of stuff on here, you guys. And we're not going to spend all of these things every single month. So, and on the example on the other side, I didn't do nearly all of these categories. I just did a few of them to give you an idea how we're going to fill this out. So let's go and look at the receipts and let's see if we can put them in a category. So can anybody tell what kind of receipt this first one is? What's it for? Groceries. So I'm just going to write groceries on this, and then in a minute I'm going to come back and see if I need to add that to another grocery total, or if my total would be $24.20 to go in that category. Does that kind of make sense? So look at this street and see if you can tell what this one's for.
Food.
Food. What kind of food though? Yeah, fast food. So on our category on the other side, do you remember there was one that was called eating out? Yeah, Wendy's, my boy's favorite place to eat.
4 for 4.
Yeah, exactly, 4 for 4. Okay, so eating out would be that receipt. Take a look at this next one. What do you think we're going to label it under? Can anybody tell? Gas. Yeah, pump number 1, unleaded, gallons. So this is going to be a gas receipt. Okay, next one. Can you tell what it's for? It's kind of blurry. Ooh, this says, this is a kind of pasta. I can read that. Yeah, I think this is groceries. Yeah, meat, dairy, you're right, grocery. And it says grocery right there. So, oh, I don't know what I just spelled up there. Grocerist. Again, I'm not on my A game today, so I apologize about that. I like to teach you new words. I like to, anyways, yeah, okay. What's this one for, do you think? Gas again. Good. What do you think this one is?
Oh, that's taxes.
What does this say up here? Ooh, so what is this?
Bill.
Is that a bill?
No. It's just something that shows how much money you made.
Somebody whispered it. I heard them say it. It's a check. It's a paycheck, right? People are like, it's a paycheck. Okay, it's a paycheck, you guys. This is actually income, right? So the income, net pay is down here. This is how much money they would bring home, right? So that's going to go on our income. Okay. Any idea what this one's for?
Which one?
Oh, like it's your electric bill. So this one's electric. And then your last one? Eating out. Good. All right, so what we're going to do, like I said, you guys, this is just kind of a really random, quick, and short example of how to fill out this for your activity today or your assignment today. So let's go back and see what categories, we need to fill out. There was no rent, right? So they must be living with mom and dad or something. Was there electricity?
Yes.
Okay, for how much? 160.09, I think that says. Do you guys agree with me? 160.09. So on electricity, we're going to go 160.09. So this says heating oil or gas. I don't know if that's the same. That's not the same as gas for car. Does that make sense? So down here on gas for car. So there was none of that. We didn't have water or sewer. How about satellite cable or internet? No, I didn't see any. Renter's insurance. Landline phone or cell phone. Gas for car. Yeah, We actually had 2 receipts for gas, didn't we? So we're gonna go and add those up. So we have $60 here, and we have $20 here, so that's a total of $80. That's easy enough, right? So gas for car is $80. Did we have car insurance? How about groceries? Yeah, so what about our groceries? Somebody add these 2 up for us. We had $24.20 and then $12.34.
That'd be
36.54. Is that what it was? Thank you. Then we have our eating out. So we're gonna flip back over and add up our eating out receipts. So 503 and 685. How much? Thank you. So 1188. All right, tons of other stuff, but did we use all of our receipts on the other side already?
What about the...
Was there 3 eating out ones or just 2?
What about the income one?
All right, so let's check again. Did we use this one, right? 685, we added that in. We did this one. We did the 20 in gas, the 60 in gas. We did the groceries and the groceries. And so only 2 eating out, right? Okay. And then you guys, you're right, we have to do our income. So we have to put our income on there of the $499.10. And it actually comes, does anybody see where the income goes? Right here, right? So we're gonna put our income over here. And then we're gonna just add up our total expenses. So can you guys add down the column for me and figure out our total monthly expenses here? Just shout it out at me when you get it, you guys.
What?
The total of these. 280. What is it?
288.51.
In my head, I got close to that, so I'm gonna go with that. So our monthly expenses were $288.51. Okay. And then we're gonna, so we didn't have any other things that we had to add, so our total would be $288.51. And really this is just saying these other numbers came from this side. So if we had stuff over here we had to add on, we would have put that number there. And then the number comes over here for our total monthly expenses. Okay, so $288.51. So the only paycheck we got was for $499.10. So our total monthly income is the $499.10. And then the difference would be what we have left over in our budget. So if you subtract those 2 numbers, I got $210.59. Did someone else get that? Good. Okay. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to do a budget sheet just like this, but with several more receipts than what I did on the note-taking guide. Okay?